mastering the usage of much and little in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of English language quantifiers. Specifically, we'll be learning about the use of the words much and little in various contexts. These two words are commonly used to express quantity and can drastically change the meaning of a sentence. So, let's start our exciting journey. Before we dive into creating sentences, let's get to understand much and little. Both of these words are quantifiers. They help us determine how much or how little of something exists. Much is used with uncountable nouns, such as time, money, love, and so forth. It emphasizes a large quantity. Little, on the other hand, is used to indicate a small quantity or amount. Examples: I don't have much time to prepare for the test. There's little sugar left in the jar. Now, let's practice using much in sentences. A tip to remember: we usually use much in negative sentences and questions. Examples: 1. She doesn't have much patience with me. 2. Is there much coffee left? Your turn now. Try crafting your own sentences using much. Next, we will work with little. Little can sometimes have a negative connotation, suggesting that there is not enough of something. Examples: 1. There's little hope of success. 2. We have little time to waste. Try making your own sentences with little. Remember, it's all about practice. To be proficient, it's crucial to use these quantifiers in different contexts. Here are some examples. For expressing regret: I regret that I have spent so much time on trivial matters. For appreciation: thank you so much for your help. For scarcity: we have very little water left. For diminishing quantity: there's little enthusiasm left in the team. Now, it's time for you to experiment. Try creating sentences for different contexts using much and little. Well done, everyone. Today we've explored the quantifiers much and little, learning how to use them effectively in our sentences. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try incorporating these words in your daily English conversation. Thank you for joining today, and as always, keep learning and practicing. Until next time, goodbye.